So we're here with Wayne Wonder now, and this is a quick one. So then guess what? We're going to just do the rapid facts, all right? This is where I ask you some quick questions. You give me back some quick answers, and we take it from there, all right?
Okay, all right.
Mr. Wayne Wonder here. All right. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
All right. What's your biggest fear?
Darkness.
Darkness. I understand that. Favorite food?
I can't selfish.
Yeah. Okay. Are you a cooker or a cleaner?
I'm a cleaner.
Cleaner. All right. Fair enough. Okay. Come in a bit. What's the last book you read?
Damn, that's
Okay. Or even listened to?
Harry Potter.
All right. Fair. All right. What's your hobby?
Just having fun with my son, you know? That's
Yeah.
my hobby, you know, having
sure.
fun with my son.
Makes sense. What's your hidden talent that the world doesn't know about?
I'm also a keyboard player and a guitarist.
Okay. We thought it was just the vocals, but you have the full package.
Yeah.
Okay. What makes you relax? How do you relax?
With music, with quietness, I will be like in a room, I don't listen to the TV, I just be in a room with just me and that
Yeah,
energy. And
the energy.
No, I don't want to hear nothing else.
Yeah.
Just that peace of mind.
Makes sense.
Yes.
The biggest song in your career that influenced you the most?
That influenced me. I think Saddest influenced me a lot because, you know, it's that true story where my girl looked at me and told me that she don't see me in a relationship going anywhere.
Wow.
So that was like that inspiration.
Yeah. And it created one of your biggest hits.
Yeah.
Wow.
Classic,
That's
you know?
That's big right there. Your favorite movie?
Movie. I go with Godfather.
Godfather. Big movie. Big movie. Yeah. Water or juice?
Water.
You prefer water. Salty or sweet?
I'd rather sweet more than salt.
Yeah. Okay. Favorite comedian of all times?
Eddie Murphy.
All right. Your favorite era when it came to music, was it either 80s, 90s, or 2000s?
I was inspired by the 80s.
Yeah.
But then I became an artist like fully in the 90s. So the 80s music inspired me to be what I am.
All right. Got two more here in the rapid facts. Your favorite moment with Buju?
One of my favorite moments, like when I just called him up on Sting 1991.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what was that like?
Because I saw the talent, and you know, you just wanted that opportunity to just express it, and you know,
get it going from there.
Made it happen, you know.
Okay. Your favorite moment with Baby Cham?
Cham, me and Cham have so many moments, man. You know, dry ride, you know, we did the dry ride.
Crazy.
And we lived in the same house, and
okay.
you know, it's like brother, you know.
Yeah.
So
that was crazy.
Family, you know?
One last I'm going to fit in here. Your favorite rhythm you've been on?
Rhythm, I would say real rock. I just love the real rock rhythm.
Yeah.
That's the rhythm when it drop you, like, you know, because as a youngster, that was one of the rhythm that inspired me to be an artist.
Yeah.
When you hear that real rock, and I can still sing on it until today.
Yeah. Forever Young.
So, yeah,
you know what I mean?
can still sing on that rhythm until today.
No, that's crazy because of especially somebody like you that's been in the business now for over 30 years.
Yeah.
It almost seems like you're just getting started, even though you've been so long.
It's, you know, the body of work, you know.
Yeah.
So actually, a lot of the songs that I've done over the years, you have a lot of like hit songs that I've never performed in my life yet.
Okay.
So check the levels.
Yeah. That's amazing because a lot of times people wouldn't really understand the catalog.
Yeah.
If you were to take a wild guess, how many songs do you think you've ever recorded? a wild guess.
I can't keep up. I don't even have an estimate. Trust me.
Have you ever tried to sit down? Hey, let me.
Maybe you're putting them on me to an assignment right now.
Yeah.
So I'll pre it, you know?
All right, because I've always wondered, like an artist, especially reggae artists, how many songs did they actually record?
A lot.
Yeah.
You know, because over the years, sometimes I'm on even two rhythms. Two songs on the same rhythm, like the rhythm's so nice.
Yeah.
You want to do it twice.
Yeah. When are we going to hear some more stuff from Surprise?
Well, I have Surprise feature on the I Am a King. I produced that song.
Okay.
And I sing some music. I Am a King is out, featuring Surprise also, toasting like Daddy You Right.
Okay.
You know, Only Me on Real Squad Records. Tony Kelly, Falling.
Yeah.
I have a song called Fling It Up.
Yeah.
I have two songs on Bullpuss Rhythm.
Yeah.
Fury.
Yeah.
If I Ever Fall in Love Again, and Only Jallow. So I putting in some work, man.
Definitely, definitely. Any closing words? Because again, usually the rapid facts is left for late.
Yeah.
But this is like a drive-by interview. This is a prelude to when we get the real interview.
The real interview,
Yeah. So
yes, man.
any words, any inspiration, anything you want to say, the floor is yours right now.
Just, stay lovely, love everybody, and respect each other, Love is lovely, war is ugly.
Exactly. And when they want to find you, find your music, and check you out on social media, where can they do that?
Oh, you can check me out. My Instagram is Wayne Wonder Music. My Facebook is Wayne Wonder 4 Live. So you can check me out. My website, waynewonder.com. Check me out. Goes to all the links, all right?
Big up, singer. It's always amazing. I can't wait to really sit down and
the real,
hear the real talk. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And deal with you. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a drive-by entertainment report podcast. And before I get you out there, give me one note in case the people don't really realize who you are.
Anything goes when I ride.
Bruh.
My little shorty by my side. The long time I'm organized. No letting go, no holding back, yes.
Just like that, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.